This particular platform can help you make nothing less than 2,000 naira daily if you can put in the work. If you can put in the work. This platform doesn't promise to make you a millionaire, it doesn't promise to make you thousands of naira, but at least it can make you something to get by. So if you're like me, you're always looking for how to make something from the internet, not just using your data to watch Instagram feeds, you just want to make something by the side while you maintain your 9 to 5, then you have to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be reviewing one of the reasons why people do not get paid when they take on micro tax jobs or when they take some jobs online. I'm going to be telling you just how in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about everything make money online. Well, yeah, the name of this platform is NairaWorkers. I feel like I have talked about it before on my channel, but I'm not really sure. That was why I'm like, okay, let me just come and talk about it again. Now, I said I was going to tell you one of the reasons why you do jobs online, especially when it has to do with these micro tax jobs online and you do not get paid for it. So these are like some of the reasons why you do not get paid. This particular part is for workers. How do I submit proper proofs? Come over here and read all of these things. Now you're going to be asking, how do you get to this particular part so that you can read these things for yourself, so that you do not make the mistakes of having to work day and night, and then at the end of the day you're having issues with getting your money. Because I am big on working and getting your money for work done. I am big on that, and I do not want a situation where after doing all your jobs you do not get paid. So you come over to your Google Chrome or whatever app that you use to browse, okay, and just type NairaWorkers. As soon as you type NairaWorkers, come over to this part, okay, and then click on that. When you click on that, when you click on this horizontal lines, all you need to do is to click on FAQ, frequently asked questions. This is it. When you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. Now all of this is none of your business, because you're not coming on here to give people jobs. You're not coming on here to hire people. You're coming here as a freelancer. You are looking for a job, you want to work. So this is the part that is for you. This, how do I submit proper proofs? Come and read it for yourself, so that when you're done performing your tax, you can get your money, so that you do not come to DM or come to the comment section and said, oh, this thing is not working, this thing is not working. Because most of us, we are really good with, quickly saying that it is not working, whereas you had made a mistake or something. So how can I see the employer statistics? Ensure that you're seeing at the employer statistics. Review his statistics and be sure he has a good satisfied rating on jobs. Don't just jump on a job because you're trying to make money. So, oh, this person just posted something and then you rush on it. I am trying to open your eyes to some of these things so that we don't make mistakes. I want us to make money online. I don't want us to buy data and then we can't even make back our data money. At least let us be getting something to buy data at the end of the day, okay? So why wasn't my withdrawal processed? You come and read this. That can be because your success rate is less than 75%, or the bank account details you provided are incorrect. You see? So you must ensure that your job rate is 75%. When you get on the app, you're going to see how you can do that. But I really like you to see this. I can't see the jobs I attempted in the available jobs page after submitting proof. My tax was disapproved unjustly. What do I do? You see all of these things. Can I use my earnings to post jobs? Come and read all of these things for yourself. Why do some jobs in the available jobs page have a golden border and all of that? I just wanted you to see that so that you do not make mistakes again. Okay, so let us head over to the home page. NairaWorkers is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, this is for you. Do not panic. I told you that I'm going to be coming up with updates that are Nigerian friendly, so that yourself, you can also, get something to do as a Nigerian. You do not need a setup of any sort. So how small gigs work: select jobs you like, explore, require tax, complete this tax. Then as a freelancer, select jobs you like, explore, require tax, deliver work and get paid, and all of that. Set your profile rate and all of that. Then they also have referral program. So do well to read through their referral program and see if it is something that you really want to do. So for you to be able to sign up on Naira Workers, you all you need to do is to click on start now. You just click on it. So when you come over here, you see register, input your first name, your last name. Ensure that the name you're imputing matches together with that on your bank account, which is the same thing on your any form of identification, maybe your voter's card or maybe your NIN. That is very important so that you do not have issues when it is time to receive your payment. Then you look at your username over here, input a username that you're comfortable with. If you're male or female, you choose one of it here. Then input a correct email address, someone that referred you. This is quite optional if you want to, if you want the person that referred you to, gain the referral bonus, good and fine. But if you don't want, you can just leave that. Then input your password and then confirm your password. Now, what? Creating multiple accounts is highly prohibited, one account per person. So there's no need, because if you are caught, your account will be banned and you're going to lose all your earnings, and you do not want that. So when you're done with all of that, you just click on sign up, and the moment you sign up, that is all there is. So you're going to be seeing these gigs, jobs like this. I wanted to really do this. You're going to be seeing jobs like this. Visit our website and sign up, and then you're going to get paid 42 naira. You see something like and retweet my pinned tweet, you get paid this. Watch YouTube video for 2 minutes and subscribe, you get paid 48 naira. Create Taxify account with my referral link, you get paid 80 naira. Follow us on Instagram, you get paid 7 naira, right? All of these jobs, they are more, usually they are more than 1,000 jobs. So if you sit in a day, I'm just trying to do this calculation. Let's just assume you're getting jobs that, you're doing jobs that are paying you 50 naira. And then you sit in a day, maybe like, let's say in the morning, and you say, I'm going to be doing 50 jobs this morning, right? 50 times 50 naira times 50, you know how much that is. Then in the afternoon, you come back again. You said, okay, I'm going to be cracking another 50 jobs this afternoon, and you calculate that. In the evening, you come back again, I'm going to be cracking 50 of these jobs, I'm going to be doing 50 jobs, right? And then you add all of that together. Then the next day you go again. Tell me how you can't make 2,000 naira per day. So if you end up making 2,000 naira per day in a month, that is 60,000 naira from the comfort of your home. Like, from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is wake up in the morning, take a bath, grab your phone, make it fully charged, buy your data, MTN 2.5 gig for 2 days, 600 naira, and then you can, work. And then in less than 2 days, you can make 2,000 naira. That is something that anyone should lay his or her hands on. I feel like it is quite lucrative, and they pay. Not to say that they don't pay, they pay. I trust them. Naira Worker really, really pay. If you go and check them out, you're going to be seeing their reviews. So that is it about this video. I didn't want it to be very long. I just wanted to open your eyes to it, especially when it has to do with this FAQ, things that you need to know, so that by the time you get on it, you're getting on there with your full energy. Nothing is hindering you, nothing is stopping you, you're not having any issues. All right, I hope this was helpful. This video was actually from my heart. Like, I just sat down and I thought about it. I'm like, okay, let me just clear the air about this particular platform while I get back to work. So yeah, that is it. I hope you found value. Please, if you did, because I know that you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a beautiful comment down below. Also leave your questions, your challenges down below. Don't forget, you do not need a VPN, just your normal data and all of that. And above all, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. We are on our way to 1K. I don't know why you haven't subscribed. With all of this juicy content and update, you haven't subscribed. What is my offense now, eh? Sis. Bro, what's my offense? Pico, subscribe to your girl now. I beg now. I beg. I need it. Okay, please do well to subscribe, do well to like this video, and also turn on the bell notification. You can join my WhatsApp group so that you can gain access to me directly if you want to talk to me about anything concerning, my content, or concerning anything about making money online. I'm going to share with you if I have solutions to it. Until then, see you in my next one. Bye.